Those guys only can understand in place parameter actual. Get ready to understand. Are you ready? Can I start, sir? Good. Let's start. In place parameter. Man, important. First, let me give a small recap. I would like to give a small recap. Why? Because the same example I need to take for in place parameter. I will do one thing. I will create a data frame. I will load a file. Create a data frame. Same data set actually. Did I upload a data set yesterday? I know. I uploaded. Just I'm asking. Either you are doing practice or not actually. Good. Next one. I will change the name of the columns. I will change what, Saji? Name of the column. Let me explain internals. Whenever you are calling rename method, backend what is happening? Backend is invisible. But I would like to explain actually. Please focus on this. Yeah, good, Daniel. Please explain. Oh, I didn't open data set. Go back and my data analysis. In place parameter, Daniel. Hold on this theory. Okay. Now first directly you can jump into rename method. Now sales 3 actually same story I wanted to apply. If you really done yesterday practice, then I'm sure you can easy to understand what is going on. Importing the libraries. Type the code, Daniel. Import pandas spd. df equals to pd.read_csv. Tell me, sir, sales 3.cs. While you're loading, file should be exist in current directory. Otherwise, you'll get a file not found error. One more time. File not found error. Yeah. Very nice. You should know the error names actually. Module not found error. File not found error. Okay. Then please capture the file. Go to the all files and sales 3. Here it is. Okay. Yeah. So you're getting. But let me just try to fix that issue by providing the file. By providing what, Saji? File. Nice. Yeah, very good, man. We got it actually. Now let us apply rename. You already know how to apply actually. Yeah, good. Let me just try to prepare a dictionary. Prepare what, Saji? Dictionary. I am preparing the dictionary. Let me just try to prepare. Let me just try to format like a key value pairs so that you can easy to understand. Okay. Just spare some time. Yeah. Now I can make it this one is a df1. I can make it this one is a df2. df2 equals to pd dot df1 dot rename method. And here columns equals to
D.
Yeah, very good. I hope you already know this one. Now, can you help me? What exactly it is going to happen? I would like to print df1 dot head method, and even I would like to print df2. Yeah, df2 also. Okay. df2 dot what exactly? Head method. Now let me explain internals. Daniel, what exactly happened in the backend? Let me explain, sir. Let me explain. The moment whenever you are loading the file, sir, what happened, if you want, can I create this dictionary here so that it will be more clear for you? Yeah, that's okay, fine, Daniel. Yeah, we prepared a dictionary. We already know this one is a data set we are applying. I have a simple question. How many objects? 2 objects. One more time.
2 objects.
I have a question. Can you tell me read_csv, function, rename, method. Something you are calling by using object name, parenthesis, method.
Return.
Something you are calling by using module name or package name, function. Tell me, sir. Function calling you are assigning into variable.
Return.
Backend return. Backend what, Saji?
Return.
Left hand side variable you can say, object also you can say. Are you clear till now? Good. Let me tell you what happened, The moment whenever you are loading this file, let me draw the diagram. Look at the diagram clearly. Today is the time I need to explain actually. Yeah, Daniel. Here, the object name is called as a df1. What is the object name, Saji? df1. Yeah, Daniel. Inside this df1, there is a column. As of now, I would like to take only one column actually. Column name is a order ID. Respectively, we would have all other columns. I have taken only one column. What is the column name? ORD ID. Sir, think like this data can contain 100 GB. Just imagine. Or else I can take 1000 GB. How much is GB, man? 1000. Yeah. Once you join in a company, we are going to playing with the big data sets, huge data sets actually. I'm repeating again. There is a file. The file is a sales 3. File is what, Saji? Sales 3. You have loaded. Then backend in your computer, there is an object is created. For that object, how much memory allocation happened, you know, Saji? 1000 GB memory. How much memory? How much? Remember this point. Then what exactly happens, sir? The moment whenever you are calling dot rename method over that object, actually, you are simply changing name of the column. You are simply changing what, Saji? Name of the column. You guys are thinking, what you are thinking, you know, it will cancel this one and instead of ORD ID, order ID will come. You guys are thinking like this. Actually, I'm sorry, your assumption is wrong. Your assumption is what, Saji? Wrong. It is not happening like this actually. Then Daniel, what is happening? Whenever you are calling rename method, with those changes, another new object is creating. What is happening, sir? Another new object is creating. Now here ORD ID. Can you tell me here what exactly? Order ID. Now this is pointing to, can you talk with me? DF2. What exactly mean? DF2. That's what you need to be understand actually. That's what you need to be understand. Now hold on. Sir, can I ask you a question? How much memory? Here also it occupies actually, no doubt at all. Here also it occupies. First of all, be clear about this point. Let me repeat again. Sir, rename method creating new object actually. Listen carefully. Rename method creating new objects with the changes. With what exactly mean? Now what is the problem here, you know? The problem is, imagine my computer capacity will be 1000 GB only. My computer capacity is 1000 GB only. In my computer, 1000 GB file I copied actually. Then I have loaded the file. Yeah, total 1000 GB allocated actually. There is not even single 1 GB. Then if you apply rename method, what happens, sir? Yeah, what happened, you know, it is going to create one more object which occupies how much memory? But 2000 is not available in my laptop actually. Then there is an issue. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, this is exactly what is happening. Let me repeat again. Malli okasari explain chestam chudandi. Rename method create new object with the changes. Yeah. Rename method creating new object with the changes. What do you mean by with the changes? What you are trying to change? What you are trying to change? Order ID to ORD ID to order ID. Right. Daniel, I don't want new object. I wanted to apply changes on original object only. I don't want new object. I wanted to apply changes on original object only. Go for in place parameter. Go for what? You got it, I guess, actually. Okay? Yeah. This is important. I will repeat one more time. Repeat. What, Saji? Memory, actually. No doubt at all. How much memory it will occupy? Again, 1000 GB. Again, what GB, sir? 1000 GB. Now, can we have a small little calculation? I hope you guys are very good in calculation. Can you tell me DF1 is, I can say, original object. What object mean? Original object. Then original object anukundam. Original object actually. Sir, first one. Original object size. Can you tell me? Yeah, very good. Thank you. Original object size. Original object size. Can you tell me 1000 GB? Oh, Daniel. Then I have a question. New object size. Chappan sir? Yeah, exactly. Then total how much memory? Oh my God. Then total memory. Total what exactly, sir? Memory. Then the total memory, how much it is going to occupy, you know, sir? 2000 actually. How much actually, sir? 2000. Here is the point. Now the point will be, Daniel, I don't want new object. I don't want what exactly? New object. New object. Then I wanted to perform changes on existing object only. When I say existing, can you talk with me? Original object only. What exactly mean? Original object only. Let me repeat again. Daniel, you are telling when you are calling rename method, new object is creating. Because of that new object, it is occupying more memory. I don't want that nature. I wanted to perform changes on existing object only. Go for in place parameter. Go for what, Saji? Are you clear? I will show you practically, right? Then the answer will be, we need to apply or use in place parameter. In place what, Saji? Parameter. Parameter actually. In place parameter. Okay? Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you clear? Come on, please talk with me. Are you clear? Harsh, who is this guy? I'm not talking about the columns attribute. Harsha sir, did you understand? But in real time, we are using rename method more. In real time, we are using rename method more. Columns attribute we never ever use actually. Make a note on this one. Okay, but that is possible. Where are we? Then we need to apply rename method. I'm sorry. We need to apply what exactly mean? In place parameter. Can I take this diagram? Yeah, I would like to say this diagram indicates to rename method. Rename method actually. Now today you have to realize rename method two types. Okay, rename method actually, rename method. Right. So the first one and the second one. First one and what exactly? Second one. Rename method. Rename method. First one without in place parameter. Chapana sir, without in place parameter. Yesterday I covered the same thing actually. Rename method without in place. Can you tell me the second one? Rename method with, that's the beauty. My terminology is, you can easy to understand sir. Rename method, tell me sir, with in place. That's what you need to be understand. Hello boss, are you planning for without in place parameter? Get ready, two objects you will get. One is original object, rename method object actually. But are you planning to use in place parameter actually? Yeah, only one object. Only what Sajay? Only the changes will be applied on original object. Changes will be applied on. That's what you need to be understood. Are you clear, sir? First, I will show you this example. How nice it is, man. Then next, I will show you the next example. This example indicates to the same copy paste example. What exactly I have done? The same story actually. Okay. Make a note on this one here. Object number 1, object number 2. But go for in place parameter. What parameter man? In place parameter. Can I show you that code actually? Oh, very simple man. Just a new keyword argument actually. Apart from that, nothing. Yeah, Daniel. So simple. What you guys need to understand is df1 dot rename method. What exactly? Rename method. I'm not assigning it to any variable. Can you tell me what is the first keyword argument name? Columns equals to D, comma, in place equals to true. In place equals to, okay, sir. Can I ask you one question? The point is, can you tell me the syntax? Keyword argument. What is that? One more keyword argument actually. Can I change this name? No. Keyword argument name is fixed forever. Right? If you are trying to changing, you will get error. Error name is a type error, madam. What error? Type error. Description is unexpected keyword argument. You should aware these are all. Okay. Now, Daniel, before applying rename method, can I print the df1? Yeah, you can apply. And after applied rename with in place, same object actually, same object, right? Now, please make a note on this one. Df1 dot what exactly mean? Head method. See. Now, sir, only one object. In this scenario, only one object. This is seriously awesome. Actually. Right? If you do practice, then only you can easy to understand. So the point is, are you using in place actually? Don't assign with variable. Actually. Why? Because all these changes, it is going to performing on original object only. What object mean? Are you clear? Seems to be the same point. I mean to say that so go back previously. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Now, good. I have a question for you. Whenever you are applying changes on original object, seems to be new object is going to create. Whenever you are going to apply changes on original object, new object is creating actually. This nature in Python we have seen somewhere. Where? Very good, sir. What is the topic? Very good. Good practice actually. What is your name? Karthik. Go back to, see, always there is a Python in the backend actually. There is a Python. Go back to the string. There is a topic name is a replace method. What method, sir?
Replace method.
If you apply replace method on this string, replace method will create new object actual. Replace method will create. Rename method also doing the same thing. Rename method also doing what, Sajay? Then don't ask what is replace method. Please do the small revision actually. You will get a clarity. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, move on. Now, Daniel, I don't want to create a new object. I don't want to create what such a new object. I wanted to apply changes on original object. I wanted to apply changes on what such a original object itself only. Order ID. This diagram is called as a what exactly, rename with, rename place. What exactly mean? In place. That's what you need to be understand. Beautiful. You understand, I guess. Then previous diagram also. Can I do small overaction? Let me update this. Then కొంచెం update చేస్తాను చూడండి. I'm sure you got it. Open with paint. I can make it. This one is what exactly? చెప్తారా? Rename. Without. Yeah, very good. Without in place. Thank you so much. That's it. End of this session. Remind me. I can upload both the diagrams actually. Team, are you clear? Yeah, very good. Then I can move on. That's it. If you understand this one, we can close the discussion. Let me tell you, this is not disadvantage. There is a great added advantage. I can talk later. Daniel, intentionally, they are technical experts. Pandas creator is not a joke actually. He is not a joker. He is a so-called top PhD actually, right? Then why he created this kind of nature? There is a great added advantage. There are two ways. Do you need new object actually? Go for rename. Don't apply in place. But I don't want any new object. I have a very less memory. I wanted to apply all changes on original object actually. Go for in place parameter. What parameter? There is a great added advantage regarding this one. We can talk later. I know which point at what time I need to cover. All right, fine then. So I hope you understand this example. I need to include this one in running notes. I can say this one. Yeah, next point. Please do practice, man. With the practice only you guys can understand these kind of examples. With the practice only you can understand these kind of examples. Okay? I can make it like this. Let us make it our running notes unique. Let me follow the same standards actually. Okay? Good. Recap. Daniel, rename. Without, in place. New object actually. Rename with. Chapani? In place. No new object, first of all. Changes will apply on original object only. Changes will apply on Chapani sir, original object only. That's what you need to be understand. This is about the recap. Now it's a right time. I skip the theory. Let me walk through actually. Let me what exactly mean walk through. Go back. Kindly please walk through. In place parameter. In place parameter is keyword argument only. But I brought separate one. Important. This is a small topic, small subtopic, but in real time we are using. That's what I created a new topic. It is our material only, right? I can create with my hands actually. Right? It is not like the. In place is a parameter for the data frame methods. In place parameter you can apply for these are all methods. First method just now we already learned actually. What is the first method name, madam? Rename. Next drop also you can apply. In another 30 minutes I'm going to tell what do you mean by drop actually. Drop method with in place parameter. Sort underscore values with in place parameter. Sort underscore index with in place parameter. If these methods are not using in place actually, tell me new object is creating every time. Chapter sir, new object is create. I wanted to stop that new object creation. Go for exactly. You got my point. Meeku ardhamaindi nenu cheppina point. Okay. Rename plus in place. Drop plus in place. Sort underscore values plus in place. As of now, these are all upcoming topic. Drop method next topic. Sort underscore value sorting. Set underscore index. LOC ILOC. During LOC lock on ILOC I will cover actually. I know this material prepared by us only. Which topic where exactly I know very well. This in place parameter accept two variables sir. Two variables actually, right? Two values. Either it is what exactly mean false or true. See, by default in place equals to false. Backend already in place is available. By default what's such false, right? Now false means it cannot override the existing data frame. I mean to say that new object is creating. What is creating sir? In place equals to true means it can overwrite. Overwrite in the sense, applying changes on original object only, existing object only. That is called as a overwrite or override actual, right? Sir, simple man. In place means think like a replace. Chapter sir, replace original object with the new changes. Original object with what, Sarji? New changes. See, do you want it to override actually? No, then go for false. By default, it is false only. This is something like a rename method. Chapter sir, something like a rename method. Daniel, do you want to override? Yes. Rename plus in place. Rename plus in place. Diagrams are important, sir. I don't know either you are following or not. Then Daniel, do one thing. This is only rename method. What method actually? Rename method. Then this is called as a chaptara rename plus in place. Wow, Daniel, we got a nice clarity. Yeah. You will get it, sir. How nice it is. That's it, sir. We done actually. Then I can move on. Good. In place, in simple word, in place means that you should update the original object instead of creating new object. Move on. So rename method only without in place parameter. Kindly please walk through. If you didn't even assign, you have to assign actually. If you didn't even assign, still old object only it will print actually. Old object only it will print. New object is already created. It's stored in some memory. If you until you assign, you cannot see. Until you assign, you cannot what, Sarji? See actually. Move to the next one. Rename method with what exactly, sir? In place parameter. Now just try to see. Yeah, DF1 Daniel. Rename method. Place in. Why red color?
Keyword.
Why red color? Now I have a question. Rename is a method. And columns is a keyword argument. In place is a keyword argument actually. With my whole experience, I am telling. Method keyword argument combination is beautiful actually. You should remember. That syntax you need to remember. Keyword argument names are fixed. Never ever change over the period. Never ever change actually. Right? These are all fixed. If you're trying to giving wrong name, you will get a type error. What error? Description. Unexpected keyword argument. One more time. That's it. Small topic. That's it. 20 minutes. We're done. We can close this topic. Online team, you are clear, I guess. Remaining methods upcoming. Remaining methods also upcoming. We'll see. Daniel, we done this topic. Now the next topic is called as what exactly, sir? Handling missing value. Chapter sir, handling missing value. Now the next topic, 13. Pandas. Data selection using lock and iLock. Lock and what exactly? iLock. Upcoming topic actually, right? Look at our material. Yeah, selection, lock and iLock. Next one is the filtering. Can I add topics actually? Make topic search chemantara. We'll get an idea. Let me add. Topic number 13, filtering. Topic number 14, filtering. Sorting. Group by. Enough. Daniel, please stop and explain the topic. Sure, sir. Group by. Let me give correct order numbering. 13, 14, this should be 15, this should be 16. Is it matching, right? Group by 16. Yeah, exactly. Now move on. Handling missing value. Minimum 3 interview questions from this chapter. Minimum how many? 3 interview. Not a joke actually. This is a very important topic. Every topic I will tell very important. Why? Because it's really important actually. Let me take a chair. Oh, sorry, man. Please understand. I will explain from scratch. Good. So, get ready. Let me tell you. Can you read the topic name? What is the topic name, sir? Handling. One more time. Handling. Okay. Handling missing value. I will tell you first of all, what do you mean by missing value? The next one, if missing values are available or existing, then I will explain what is a problem. What exactly, sir? What is a problem? Then later you need to understand how to handle. What exactly mean? How to handle. Let me repeat again. First I will explain about the missing value. Then you will get a clarity. Oh, this is the missing value. If the data having missing value, what is a problem? Then you will understand the problem. Then the solution will be how to fix that problem. That is nothing but how to handle the missing value. How to handle what, Sarji? Missing value. Missing, what exactly mean? Missing values actually. Missing values. Are you clear, Sarji?
Yeah,
we'll do one thing. These 3 points, please focus. Please focus actually. Focus in. Step number 1, let me explain. Step number 2. Step number 3. Data may have missing value. Data may have what, Sarji? Missing value. Good. Let me show you. I will take one small example. You will get an idea. Daniel, let me take one small data, one example. Good. I would like to take one best example. What is that example? Agriculture data set. The first one area. The next one rice packs. If you're coming from village, kind of some agriculture actually. Am I right? There is a one data set I have taken. Agriculture.data. Think like AGG or .csv. Agriculture actually. Good. Sir, think like there is a one person. I would like to tell I am from village. In my home, 4 neighbors actually. Neighbor 1, neighbor 2. First neighbor having 1 acre land. First neighbor having what, Sarji? 1 acre. I asked, uncle, how much rice packets you will get actually? He told, Arechana, we are going to get 10 rice packets for 3 months actually. 3 months or 4 months. Like a quarter based actually. Then 2 acres, another person, 20 rice packets. 3 acres, 30 rice packets. 4 acres, 40 rice packets actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good, let me tell you. Imagine what happened, I was trying to asking the second uncle, and immediately he supposed to answer. He got a phone call immediately on high priority. Then he didn't reveal actually. Listen carefully. So the first of all, my main motto, I wanted to collect the data. Then I mean data collection. I just knocked the first home door actually. Then uncle opened. Then I asked, let me know how much land you do have. He is telling 1 acre. How many rice packets you will get? 10 rice packets. Then second person, I asked, can you tell me how much land you do have? He is telling 2 acres. He is supposed to answer. Can you tell me how many rice packets you are supposed to get? Then rather than me, I am not high priority. He got immediate call from USA. His daughter actually. Just imagine. Then he told, you go out, I will tell later actually. Then I told, it's okay. Then I have a question. Can you tell me what is happening? Data is missing. What is happening? Now read this point. Data may have what exactly, sir? Missing the data is a common scenario. Missing the data is if the data is missing, what happened, sir? Now let me tell you. Data 1, what data actually? Agriculture data. Now let us load by using pandas. Load using what exactly mean? Pandas actually. If you load using pandas, what happened? Same data. Can you talk with me? Can you please talk with me? It is replacing with. Get ready to understand. Now first of all, yeah, Daniel, there is a data. There is what, Sachi? Data. Now this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. I know. 10, 30, 40. I know. But data having missing value. Data having. First point, you are very clear, I guess actually. Are you clear? Now second point. What is the second point? If missing values are existing, then what is your problem? What is the problem actually? Let me tell you what is the problem. This is nice and cool discussion, man. Second point I am covering. Having missing the data is a very common scenario. Can I highlight actually? Right? Missing the data is missing the data points, missing the data or missing values, right? Data is very common scenario. Now second point. When I say, so missing the data, I'm sorry, hold on. I would like to give the best point actually. Data may having missing values. When I say missing values, I can say none value, right? So missing values are very common in data. Then it is, my statement is very clear actually, right? Now more to the next one. Then let us just try to understand the problem with what exactly, sir? Missing values. Till now, are you clear, sir? Good. Let me tell you. Throughout the course, either data science or AI actually, ultimately what we are doing, sir, we are doing prediction. We are doing what exactly? One more time, we are doing
prediction.
What is prediction? Let me tell you. This is the flow. What do you mean by prediction? For 5, how much rice packets I need to do the predict actually? Tell me for 5 how much actually? Yeah, 50. Let me tell you. If value available here at 20, then prediction is very easy. If original value is available here at 20, then prediction is what exactly, man? Easy. If value is missing, let me tell you, this prediction will get a wrong value. Okay, wrong value actual. Conclusion of the story, if the data having missing value, prediction goes wrong. What goes wrong, man? Are you clear, Sachi? Mali cheptanu chudandi. Let us take data. Same data I would like to take actually. Data without missing value. Then prediction is easy. Then we will get a good prediction. You will get good prediction actually. Good prediction. Yeah, see, look at the data points. Yeah, Daniel, so 20. Now, Daniel, can you do the prediction? Yeah, sure, Sarji. I can do prediction for 5. Can you tell me what is the value? Yeah, life is beautiful. We didn't write prediction. Now, let me tell you, what is the second scenario? Chappan sir? Second scenario will be data with missing. Data with what exactly, sir? Missing value. Then we will get wrong prediction. We will get what exactly, man? Now, conclusion of the story, prediction is impacting. What is impacting? Yeah, let's take the data. Let's take what exactly? Data. Let's take the data. Such a nice explanation, sir. Now here, Daniel, can you do the prediction actually? Yeah, do for 5. On an average, think like you may get a 90. Just I would like to say wrong prediction. What prediction, man? Wrong prediction actually. Now what you need to understand is missing the values is a common scenario in a data. It's okay. But if the data having missing value, we need to handle. Otherwise, we'll get a wrong prediction. Otherwise, we'll get a... I hope you got a clarity. Meeku clarity vachindi anukuntunnanu. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, nice. Conclusion. Online team, how about you? Why nobody is not talking? Online team, are you following? Said Sarji, Sheikh sir, Ramya Garu, please talk with me. Nice, man. Let's move on. Thank you for your nice response. Now there is an excellent flow I am going to write actually. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? Conclusion is, if data having missing value, then we'll get wrong prediction. We'll get what exactly, man? Wrong prediction. Conclusion of the story, prediction is impacting. Or we can say, what is impacting, Sarji? Prediction is impacting actually. Now I will write nice flow. Look at my script. Manchi flow rasanu chudandi. This is really good flow. Good flow actually. Good flow. Yeah, man. Daniel, there is a data. Okay. Think like a CSV file. From that data, we are going to get a data frame. Ultimately, this data frame, we need to give input to ML algorithm. What algorithm, man? Why? Because ML algorithm will do the prediction. Let me repeat again. Who will do the prediction at the end of the day? Machine learning algorithm will do the prediction. Who will do prediction? If data frame having n values, ML algorithm will do wrong prediction. ML algorithm will do what prediction, man? Repeating again. What is the flow, you know? Data frame, ML algorithm. Chapman sir, data frame, ML algorithm. Being a data scientist, we need to give this data frame as an input to the ML algorithm. Then that ML algorithm will receive the data frame and it will do the prediction. It will do what, Sarji? If the data frame having missing value, ML algorithm undigest actually. It will tell, array man, data having missing value. What kind of prediction I will do? Anyway, you have given right. Let me do wrong prediction. Let me do what prediction, man? Are you clear, Sarji? Good. Let me write nice flow. Make up manchi flow rasanu chudandi. Sales1.csv. Yeah, Daniel. Then data frame. I would like to say no missing value, no missing values. Then ML algorithm will get a good prediction. Wow, good prediction. Case number one. By this time you understand case number 2. Can I get a response from you? Chappan sir, uppudu cheppandi. Sales1.csv only. Okay, very good. The next one, data frame. This data frame we need to give to ML algorithm, machine learning algorithm. Why machine learning algorithm? Why? Because ML algorithm will do the prediction. Who will do prediction? ML algorithm, machine learning algorithm will do the prediction actually. Good. Sir, tell me, having missing values. Having what, man? Missing value. Then talk with me. Wrong prediction. Bad prediction will get actually. Bad prediction will get. Then what we need to do? Then it's not fair. It's not what exactly, man, fair actually. So we need to handle. So you need to learn how to handle missing value. You need to learn what, Saji? How to handle missing value. How to handle missing values actually. Now read the topic name. Topic name chadoni. Handling. That is the story behind actually. That is the story behind. If you don't know this one, if you are blindly, following actually, you cannot understand. First of all, you should understand what is the missing value. If the data having missing value, what is your problem? Then if there is a problem, how to fix, we need to understand. How to fix, we need to understand. Are you clear, sir? Let's move. Uppudu mana topic loki enter avudam. So finally, I give in conclusion, data having missing value, we need to handle actually. Now let us just try to learn handling missing value. Handling what exactly, man? Missing values. Beautiful topic, online team. I believe you understand, sir. Everybody? It's all clear. Very good. Abdul sir, Abdul Karim garu. Good. Next one. All right. Go back. Open the material. This topic goes to on an average handling missing value. Now the time is 10:15. For this topic, minimum 1.5 hour time is required. 1.5 hour time is required. Let us start today. We will continue tomorrow. Ayo sir, go back chapter number 2, I guess. Chapter number 3.
Non-value.
If you really understand chapter number 3, those days actually, there is an interconnection. I mean to say, today topic you will get a clear picture. Then you should know what is a none and missing value. Let me give a small recap also, don't worry. Can I close these or all? Why? Because we are not going. I can close this. I can even close this. Keep it hold. None. Sir, the full form of none is not a number. We covered this. The full form of none is what, Saji? Not a number. The purpose of none is to represent missing values in a data. The purpose of none is to represent what, Saji? Missing values in a data. The data type for none is float. Chapande? Float data type actual. While loading CSV file, okay. Imagine there is a CSV file. If all values are available, no missing value. If the CSV file having missing value, then that missing values are representing with none. Actually, right? While loading CSV file, if the file having missing value, then it will be considered as a none values. What values, man? There are some examples I have told. During the data analysis, we may need to handle these none values actually. For example, suppose different users, being surveyed, may choose not to share their income. Some users may not to share address in these. Okay. What is this statement? Let me tell. నేను ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. Imagine there is a data collection is going on. That data collection will be, I wanted to know how many of you employees. I wanted to know employee details actually. Employee details in KBHP location. KPHP location. Right? Location actually. Then what exactly happened? Early morning, I am standing. Early morning, standing at bus stop. Standing at what exactly mean? Bus stop actually. One by one person I am asking. So let me tell you, these are all person details. These are all person name. I would like to tell name actually. Then I am planning to ask age also. I am planning to ask either how much is salary you are getting. So as of now, I targeted only 3 parameters actually. Can you tell me first one? Name. Next one? Age. Next one? Salary. Good. Sir, there is a person number 1. I asked her, Anna, what is your name? He told Ravi. What is your age? He told 26. And what is your salary? He told 25. Okay. First data point I got it actually. Second data point. I asked her, what is your name? She told Rani. I asked her, madam, what is your? Yes. Yeah, exactly. Madam told, I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry actually. Then can you tell me, I asked her salary also. She told 35K. How much K actually, sir? 35K. So the point is, kind of I involved in survey. During the survey data collection actually, right? Now move to the next one. P3. Prasad. Age will be 32 and he don't want to share their income actually. Yeah, go. Make a note actually. First data point, all values should you have. Second data point, value is missing, representing with none. Okay. Third data point, value is missing, representing. Now you can read actually. For example, suppose different users being surveyed may choose not to share their income. Few people, they don't want to share their income, or few people, they don't want to share their address also. That is okay. Do I need to force actually? Madam, you have to tell your age actually. I'm sorry, invalid. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. Conclusion of the story, missing the data is a common scenario. Missing the data is if the data is missing, we have to fill with some value. That is nothing but a handling. We have to fill with what, Saji? Some value. Then, ML algorithm will work very well actually. We'll tell. Let's take this one, take this data. Now I will teach you how to handle. We need to handle. Move on. Sorry. You guys need to walk through these are all. None is a Python object which is holding nothing. NaN is a pandas related object which represents missing data. Which represents what, Saji? Missing data. Creating a data frame by loading CSV file. You can remind me. Today I need to share one more new file. That new file name is called as a fruits1.csv. What is the file name?
Fruits1.csv.
Good. Then let me just try to load that file. We are going to playing with fruits1.csv file. Fruits1.csv file. Let me just try to. You kindly remind me, sir. Otherwise, I may forget to share. What is fruits1? I will explain. Hold on. Daniel, first of all, open the data set. Sure, sir. Sure, boss. Fruits1.csv file. There is a file we are going to play. There is a data set file. You can also call as a data set actually. What is the data set name? Chaptara. File name is a fruits1. Remember this. 1.csv file. Let me give you a little theory behind of this one. These are all data sets I have created. I spent some decent time. I created actually. You are going to understand. Good. Let me explain some small background story actually. Go back to the Corona days. Go back to, you know about Corona, right? Do I need to explain? Corona or Corona actually? Corona. Kind of some COVID days actually. Right. Sir, during COVID days, almost all doctors, what they are suggesting, you can just try to boost your immune system. Boost your what, Saji? Immune system actually, right? Then I got one small thought. In my home, just think like I started one fruit stall. Just imagine actually. Though I started one small fruit stall, first 1 week I give an advertisement actually. I told to everyone, hey uncle, I just tried to start a small business. You can kindly visit my store actually. Yeah, good. Now first customer came actually. Who came, sir? First customer. Think like this one is a basket ID. He order ID. Basket ID or order ID actually. Right. So he reached almost apples basket. There are lot of apples and he picked almost nine apples actually. The next one, orange. He didn't take in. Do I need to force? You should take oranges also. No, we should not force that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for kidding. Next one is what exactly? Banana. How many bought? Half dozen. Can I ask a question? Total how many types of fruits? 3. Chappan sir, total how many? 3. But first customer, how many types he bought actually? Apple, next one, banana. 2 types. Orange is missing. Now, it is okay. Data is missing. If you load this data in pandas, can I ask you a question? This value is replacing with? That's what you need to understand. Are you clear, Sachi? Good. Next one. Second customer. 12 apples. Orange 12. Sir, I like this customer very well. Why? He bought all actually. He bought all. Now one more customer came. He bought only apples and he didn't buy. Yeah, I have given bill. While giving the bill, what I told you know, and please visit store again. Next time you plan, please to buy what exactly mean? Orange and banana also. Those are all really very tasty and you can plan to taste once actually. Are you clear, sir? Let us load the data set, man. You got it. What I'm trying to explaining, you got it, I guess. Easy, sir. These are all very easy. Import pandas says PD. df equals to pd.read underscore csv. What is the data set name? Fruits1.csv. Now let me just try to print. Wow. Let me save this. What is the time? 10:23. Few guys are looking at the time. Time 10:23, sir. Coding. I know. Nobody is not looking at the time. Yeah. Let's get started. Very good. Super. Let's open the data set one more time. Get ready, sir. Get ready. Minimize this. You can kindly please open the command prompt and look at the data set also. Everybody look at my screen. Order ID. First of all, data frame is created. Can you tell me total how many rows? How many columns? 150 rows, man. I mean to say 150 customers came to shop actually. Think like this one is a Monday data set. On Monday, I have a small fruit stall actually. 150 customers came. This is the data. Now please make a note. Daniel, orange is missing. Then backend it is representing with what exactly, sir? None. Backend representing with none actually. One more quite interesting point. Though one value is none, no doubt at all, even though here is integer value, what value? Integer value, it will be treated as a, exactly, I covered this point already. Imagine, so you are just trying to doing addition with the float value and integer value. What is the result, man? Float only. Did you remember that? Exactly the same nature we are going to get. In the given column, would have a numerical value. If at least one missing value, the whole column data type is a float. The whole column data type is, yeah, look at my screen. Yeah, Daniel, this one is a 12.0. This one is 12.0 again, 8.0, blah, 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 blah. Can I ask you a question? Here, no missing value, but why floating actually? In between, we have a missing value. I wanted to see whole data. How to see? Very good. What is the method? To_string. What is the method, sir? To_string. To_string. String. Very good. Nice. Very nice actually. Yeah, see somewhere here, ninth index record actually, I mean to say, yeah, there is a missing value. There is what exactly, sir? Missing value. And in between we would have a lot of missing value. Now, first of all, are you clear, sir? Let me continue. Quite interesting. Those missing values
can be
will be చెప్పండి సార్, represented with
none values.
very good, none values. Then can I ask a question? None equals to not a. Nice. The data type is enough. Don't postpone the practice. Every day topic you have to prepare on the same day. Good. One more flow I'm telling. Key point actually. Get ready. Key point. Okay. Yeah, Daniel, go back. Daniel, there is a data set. Data set name is a fruits1.csv file. Then we got a data frame. We got word searching data frame. Now ultimately this data frame we need to give to ML. We need to give to word searching ML algorithm. Then ML algorithm will do prediction. ML algorithm will do. Now here is a story. Please listen carefully. Here is a story. What happened, imagine we got a data frame. Our senior is telling, check number of rows and columns actual. Check number of what exactly, sir? Rows and columns. Then what we need to apply? Shape. Very good. You already know that actually. Then we need to apply shape attribute. What we need to apply, Anna? Shape attribute. Very good. Very good. The next one. Your senior is giving task. What is the task? We'll do one thing. Display all columns. All what exactly mean? Columns. How to print actually? df.columns. df. What exactly? Nice. The next one. Your senior is telling, hey, do one thing. Data frame information. Data frame what exactly mean? Information. Then what we need to do? Yeah, now hold on. Now let me explain actually. df.info method. What method, Anna? Info method. Now your senior is telling, what your senior is telling, hey, do one thing. I'm giving data frame. Check missing value. Check what exactly mean? Missing value. Very good. So the point will be what we need to do is, imagine if the data frame having is somebody given the data frame, handling is the next step actually. First we need to recognize data frame having missing values or not actually. Let me repeat again. The topic name is called as a handling, but handling is the last step, sir. Before that one, what we need to do, if it is having missing values or not, we need to check actually. That is nothing but a checking missing value. Chappan sir. If the data having missing value, we can handle. If the data having no missing value, no need to handle. No need to handle actually. Okay, let me write here. Pointing clear rasan chudane. Then there is a method. Method name is a isNA method. What method, sir? isNA. Three methods untai. isNA method, isNull method, not null method. These are all methods, but isNA method we are using in real time actually. Okay. Now the point. Hold on. Everybody look at my screen. Daniel, there is a file. Ayyo, CS. Data frame created. Now check missing value. Okay, check missing values. Checking. Okay. If having missing value, yes, having missing value, then handle actually. What exactly mean? Handle. No missing value, no need to handle. Wow. No need to what exactly mean? Handle. Like that. The flow is awesome. Especially my running notes. There are some flows I can write very nicely. Chappan sir. Exactly. Let me repeat again. File. Daniel, okay. Data frame created. After data frame created, check. What we need to check? Missing value. I'm checking, Daniel. While you are checking, you came across there is a missing value. You came across there is a missing value. Then handle it. You came across no missing value. Tell me, sir. No need to handle. Imagine somebody told there is a gold in this area actually. Then we need to check really gold would. Do you know about I like in my free time even I used to watch gold mining actually. Miro YouTube lo even I used to watch. I'm a human, sir. I used to watch YouTube, but not all other videos actually. I like gold mining. What people will do, there are some locations gold is available. I mean gold is available, so under earth actually.
Already.
Then they will buy first what they need to buy, detector. What they need to buy? Detector. Imagine there is a forest. Then they will go to that forest and they will apply actually. They will apply that detector. If they applying the detector, that is nothing but checking the gold. Checking what, Sachi? If gold is available, you can dig actually. If gold is not available, no need to dig. Here also, data having missing values, please handle it. Data having no missing value. Tell me, sir. No need to handle. Missing values like name handle chestam, sir. Can I get a response? Yeah, good. Move on. Then the topic name is checking missing values in data frame. You can say checking, you can say identifying, you can say recognizing. These are all similar words. Identifying, recognizing. Anna, you should aware these are all points actually, please. Okay, how to handle I will tell you. Step by step I will tell you actually. Good man, there is a method. Then your answer will be how to check. Answer is very simple. By using methods. By using what exactly, man? By using method. The one of the popular method name is called as a df.isNA method. The method name is isNA. One more time. Indirectly we are asking, this method is talking with the data frame A. Do you have a missing value? Imagine this one is a person number 1, person number 2. This person is asking, do you have a missing value? If it is having missing value, let me tell you, if any method started with is letter, very good. If any method having is word actually starting, the result is boolean. The result is what, Sachi? Boolean actually. Boolean is the result. Boolean is the result actually. I will tell you, don't worry. Now the time is okay. I can move on. Let's close. A program to check missing value. Oh, Jesus. Let me write a program. Then how to check? Easy, Anna. Very easy. Same story.
Import pandas. Install pandas. Pip install.
Now, చెప్పండి sir. Import pandas as PD. df1 equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the file name? While loading the file name should be match. Otherwise, file not found, error. Data frame is ready. Ayyo, did I cover this actually? I will cover later. Python, this is called as a interpreter, shell, REPL. These are all I will cover later. Yeah, Daniel, data is loaded actually. Now your senior is telling. What your senior is telling, I created a data frame. I created what such a data frame. Object name is a df. Object name is what such a df. You do one thing. I have another task. Your senior is telling, check. Your task will be your task. Check df having nuns or not actually. When I say none, can you tell me missing value? So let me just try to missing values or what exactly not. He is asking to check. Then you should not say, Anna, print the data frame. He knows very well actually. Are you clear? So the point is, by code you need to check. By code. Then how we can check, There is a method. Method name is a df2 equals to df1 dot isNA method. What is the method name, sir? One more time. isNA method actually. isNA method. Now we'll do one thing. Let me just try to print df1. Let me even just try to print df2 actually. df2. Okay. Now get ready, sir. Get ready. Anyway, 150 rows, right? First one also data frame. Second one also data frame. We'll do one thing. Can I print only top 5 rows actually? How to print? Head method. Thank God you know this point very well. Wow. Now let me compare. Such a nice original data frame. Whenever you are applying isNA method, what method, sir? isNA method. What isNA method will do, It will goes to every value. It will check Is it missing value? No. If it is no, it is written like a false. Is it missing value? No. False. Is it missing value? Yes. Tell me. True. Is it missing value? No. False. Conclusion of the story. Is a method returns Boolean values. Is a method returns Boolean values actually. Please make it out. Where there is a missing value, it is giving result as a true. Where there is no missing value, no missing value means value is existing, it returns as a false. Chappan sir, it is written as a sir, can I tell you one small point? Again method actually. What is the topic name? Method. Yesterday also method. Trust me, tomorrow also method. Every day methods topic actual. Yesterday what is the method name? Rename. Today what is the method name? Is a name. Tomorrow method name is a drop. Drop in here, drop actual. So I request you, if you have some time, work out on methods actual. Please. మీరు చూడకుండా కూడా రాయాలి మెథడ్స్ అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాక్చువల్. ఓకే గుడ్. లెట్ మీ ఆస్క్ యూ క్వశ్చన్. ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హౌ మెనీ మెథడ్స్ వుడ్ యూ హ్యావ్?
1.
టెల్ మీ. Is and next one head. How many functions? I will cry. If you say 1, I will cry. How many? 2. Why you said 1 actually? First one read underscore CSV. Next one print. Method man everywhere actually. Okay. Checking missing value. We are checking. Move on. Is and a. You can still use is null, not null. Is null, not null, I will cover later. Right? Is and a and is null or predefined methods in data frame. Who can access these methods by using data frame? Same story, boss. Either you are following or not actually. If method came, I will tell this method belongs to which class. Next point I will tell how to access. Next point I will tell how to perform. What kind of operation it will perform actually. By using these methods, we can check. Checking purpose. What kind of checking? Having missing values or not? Having? Yeah, good. So by using these methods, we can check missing values existing in a data frame or not. If missing values are available, then it returns as a true. Otherwise, false actually. Otherwise, what's actually false? Yeah. Why red color? Nice. Right. Is and is a method. Is and is what's actually method actually. Yeah. Here the value is missing. True. Hey Daniel, here value is not missing. Then can you tell me? False. What exactly mean? False actually. Move to the next one. Is null. I can cover later, sir. In real time, we are using is and a. In real time, we are using what's actually is and a. Alternative approach also I have given in my material. Is null and is and a. Both methods works in the same way. Not null I can cover later.